ESD PVC flooring tiles are essential for businesses aiming to comply with industry standards such as ISO 9001 and ANSI, ESD S20.20. These standards outline the requirements for controlling electrostatic discharge, especially in environments where sensitive electronic components are handled, such as manufacturing floors, cleanrooms, and data centers. ESD vinyl flooring tiles help ensure compliance by providing a reliable solution for controlling static electricity. These static control flooring tiles are designed with conductive or dissipative materials that safely channel static charges to the ground, preventing the accumulation of dangerous electrostatic discharges. This is crucial for meeting the specific guidelines set forth by ISO and ESD standards, which require the continuous monitoring and control of electrostatic environments. Additionally, ESD flooring tiles often come with specific resistance levels, which are key to meeting industry standards. By maintaining the proper resistance, these tiles help create an environment that minimizes the risk of ESD damage to sensitive equipment. By installing ESD control flooring tiles, businesses can demonstrate their commitment to maintaining safe, static-free environments while ensuring adherence to international standards for quality and safety.